Understanding, reach out to me. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, reach out to me. This phrase is widely used in both professional and personal contexts, so understanding its nuances is key to effective communication. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Reach out to me might sound physical, but it's actually a figurative expression. Literally, to reach out means to extend your hand towards something. However, when used figuratively, it means to initiate contact or ask for help or information. It's a way of inviting someone to communicate with you, often when they need assistance or guidance. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. In a professional setting, it might be used at the end of a meeting or email. Like, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. In a personal context, it could be a way of offering support to a friend. I know you're going through a tough time. Please reach out to me if you need to talk. There are several variations of this phrase, each with a slightly different tone. Feel free to reach out is more casual and often used in informal or less urgent situations. Please don't hesitate to reach out carries a sense of urgency and importance, suggesting that the person really wants to ensure the listener knows they're available to help. In different cultures, the usage and perception of this phrase can vary. In some cultures, directly asking for help is encouraged, making "reach out to me" a common and welcome phrase. In others, there might be a tendency to be more self-reliant, so the phrase could be less frequently used. Reach out to me is a valuable phrase in English, embodying the spirit of communication and assistance. Whether in a professional or personal setting, understanding and using this phrase can greatly enhance your ability to connect with others. We hope this video helps you in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.